The Calstein Sport wheelchair is designed for both performance and convenience, elevating mobility experience for dynamic indoor and outdoor use. The Sport wheelchair features fixed baffle for additional stability, backrest height 34 cm, light magnesium alloy frame construction, excelling in various environments from indoor maneuvering to outdoor recreational use, ensuring agility and comfort for every user. Folding aluminum alloy frame with surface spray finish ensures durability and sleek look, lightweight at 14.5 kilograms for easy transportation and storage. 4-inch swivel front wheels provide excellent maneuverability across all terrains, from indoor spaces to outdoor adventures and urban commutes with agility. Durable Oxford fabric seat and back provide outstanding comfort and support, seat width 38, depth 38 and height 43 centimeters. 24-inch rear wheels with quick remove system allow swift adjustments, with fixed foot pedal of adjustable length accommodating various user needs. Designed for dynamic use with maximum load capacity 100 kilograms, overall dimensions 80 by 64 by 87 centimeters for versatile environments. Manufactured in France with premium quality materials, every Calstein equipment is engineered to deliver guaranteed performance, exceptional robustness and true French excellence worldwide. Explore the complete Calstein Sport wheelchair catalog. Performance, comfort and innovation for every mobility need. Visit calstein.net and bring science to life.